Alright, it's time for our basketball break for the evening. 2 hobby boxes of Panini Revolution. 5 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. 4 rookies, 4 inserts, and I think this is 8 parallels. So, should be a pretty good one. This is obviously the Cunningham, Evan Mobley, Jalen Suggs, Jalen Green rookie class. So pretty deep one in terms of contributors: Josh Giddey, Scotty Barnes, etc. And this product just came out, so it should be pretty fun to pop it open and take a look. I'm going to switch to our randomization here. 9 spots were open, so those will be going to me, and if nothing big comes out of it, I'll more than likely just be dropping them back in the packs that I send out to you guys. So I'm going to do a couple of randomizations here. Gonna randomize this one 10 times. And I'm gonna switch the views real quick while I copy and paste, since my computer seems to want to freeze on me. Real quick. And let me paste in the chat. Alright, so I've got the Hawks, Thomas J has the Celtics, Anthony J has the Nets, I've got the Hornets, the Bulls and the Cavs, Anthony P's got the Mavericks, I've got the Nuggets and Pistons, Brian M has the Warriors, Thomas J has the Rockets, I've got the Pacers, Brad P has the Clippers, I've got the Lakers, Michael A has got the Grizzlies, Michael M has the Heat, Thomas J has the Bucks, Anthony P has the T-Wolves and Pelicans, Thomas J has the Knicks, I've got the Thunder, John B has the Magic, Brian M has the Sixers, Brad P has the Suns, Thomas J has the Blazers, Brian M has the Kings, Anthony J has the Spurs, Brian M has the Raptors, John B has the Jazz, and Anthony P has the Wizards. Good luck, everybody. I got a couple of the nicer spots. Let's just see how it shakes out. If I get some base rookie cards or something and we need to randomize them and give them away on the stream. I got the Hornets spot, which I'm happy about since that's my team. We'll definitely keep something of theirs if I get them, but... Alright, box 1. Love the look of these cards. The base cards look amazing. Here's Paul George, Malcolm Brogdon, CJ McCollum for the Pelicans. Got a parallel here of Dennis Schrader and a Vortex insert of Anthony Davis. This is a groove parallel, it says on the back. Devin Booker, Doncic, Jokic. I'm going going to butcher this. Georgios Kalaitzkis, probably. Rookie card for the Bucks. That is an Astro parallel. And a base rookie of Aaron Wiggins for the Thunder. These parallel versions are looking really good. I think the design looks a little bit cleaner than last year's too. Just my opinion. Joel Embiid, Domantas Sabonis, Darius Garland, Jimmy Butler, and Paul George, Star Factor, die cut insert. No numbering on that one, but that's an awesome looking card. KD, Ayton, Middleton, got Trae Young, the Groove insert, and a Charles Bassey base rookie for the 76ers. Mo Bamba. Man, they work quick with these cards. Ben Simmons in our Brooklyn Nets jersey. Lonzo Ball. And got something nice looking here. It's a Zion parallel. Anniversary. 73 out of 75. Now that's a pretty cool parallel there. Gonna get me looking up some of those to add to my personal collection. 73 out of 75. Pelicans hit going to Anthony P. And this awesome liftoff die cut for the Pelicans as well, Zion. Hoping Zion bounces back next year. Pelicans are going to be a pretty exciting team if that happens. I'm pretty optimistic about that. Looked really good. And warm-ups and such. The lady was moving around really well. Greg Brown. The Astro insert. And a Bones Highland base rookie card. 2 more packs to go in this first box. There's Ja, Bam Adebayo, Jordan Poole, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, and a Shockwave of Josh Giddey. And last pack here. Yeah, I love some Bones Highland. That dude's clutch. And he has an amazing story, too. So, hard not to root for the guy. Rookie Revolution, Zaire Williams. Fractal parallel. That's the one of Michael A. Congratulations, Michael. And an Evan Mobley, base rookie. I think I got that one. To figure out what to do with that Giddey. I think I got Giddey too. Terry Rozier, Jaylen Brown, Brandon Ingram. This is a nice looking. Bojan Bogdanovic, cubic parallel, number to 50. Wow, these look awesome. I think first thing I do when I get done with these, aside from starting up watching the Suns and Mavericks, is looking up some of these parallels online. I like the cubic and I like the 75th anniversary one a lot. And I'm wondering if they do these inserts like the Shockwave in that. There's another Bogdanovic, Paul George, Malcolm Brogdon, and here's a good one. Herb Jones, the Groove insert. Herb is did really well for the Pelicans in the playoffs. Just an absolute defensive stud. That one's going to Anthony P. And the Joshua Primo base rookie as well. And it's going to Anthony J. I'm probably just going to random off the Mobley and the Giddey, and let's just see where what else we get out of this that I might run into. Bradley Beal, Astro, and a Shockwave insert of Devin Booker. Devin Booker's been killing it in the playoffs. Jokic, Embiid, Sabonis, Vortex of Donovan Mitchell, and an Isaiah Jackson base rookie. Garland, Anthony Edwards, Kyle Kuzma, Carmelo Anthony parallel, Fractal, and Rookie Revolution, Chris Duarte. We'll random this one off as well. It's a nice looking card there. 3 more packs to go on this break. Sadiq Bey, John Wall, James Harden with the Sixers, Day'Ron Sharp, and Jaden Springer. 2 rookie cards at the back end of that pack. The Day'Ron Sharp is the Astro. Jaden Springer is a base. Bobby Portis, D'Angelo Russell, Montrezl Harrell, Darius Bazley, and a Vortex of Jonathan Kuminga. Rookie card for the Warriors going to Brian M. And our last pack here. Reggie Jackson, Christian Wood, DeJounte Murray, sweet Spurs jersey there. Got a Jokic parallel, and Jericho Sims, base rookie for the Knicks. So, quick recap, then I'll random off some of these. Got the Herb Jones. Got 2 killer parallels here. Unfortunately, one of them is Bogdanovic, so not a huge get. And the other one's Zion, which is really nice. But 2 low number parallels. Those cards look awesome. I got the nice Zaire Williams Fractal Rookie Revolution card. That one looks really good too. And then I got these 3 rookie cards, which I'll random off. The Shockwave Giddy, which I guess that's just a base. Evan Mobley's a base. Chris Duarte a base. So no parallels on those, unfortunately. But definitely love the Zion card and the Bogdanovich card. Those are really nice looking. Great product. We just unfortunately did not hit on the right players with those parallels. At least with the Zion, we hit a pretty decent one, but no rookies. Let me switch to randomization in a second. So anybody who paid for a spot, I don't know what's going on here. Just make this bigger, I guess. Alright, so this is just a quick randomization to give away these 3 cards in the bottom here. My computer just froze on me when I was doing it, so had to restart real quick. Gonna switch to my desktop view and hopefully it doesn't freeze on me again. But I got everybody in here that paid for a spot. I'm just gonna say spot, whoever ends up in spot number 1 will get the Giddy. Whoever ends up in spot 2 will get the Mobley. And whoever ends up in spot 3 will get the Chris Duarte rookie card. So I'm gonna get this 3 times and, sorry, 10 times, that's normal. Alright, well, I don't know how that worked out, but Thomas J is getting all of them. So congrats, Thomas. Sorry to everybody else, unfortunately. That was quite a run there. So we'll include these with your other cards, Thomas. And thanks so much for everybody for joining. Next week we're going to do a optic retail break, so pretty low key, low cost one. So hope you guys join for that. Thanks for joining tonight, and we will see you next time. Take care.